Hey, what's going on, everybody? In this video, we're gonna go over a way that you can make an extra $1,000 a month from anywhere in the world at any age through YouTube. So as I said in the intro, in this video, we're gonna be talking about a little business model that I've used to make over $1,000 a month for the last 8 months or so. And all of that while working a 9-to-5 job. And I know what you're thinking.
When the f did we get ice cream?
No, I'm just kidding. But I do know what you're thinking. I already smacked that like button, but I'm not good in front of a camera. I don't have equipment to make videos. How am I supposed to make $1,000 a month on YouTube when I can't even make videos? See, that's the beauty of this strategy. You never show your face. It doesn't matter how old you are, how you speak, what you look like. All that matters is you have a YouTube account and a willingness to devote a couple hours a week to the grind. Now, this method that I'm talking about is called Faceless YouTube channels. This is a method where you upload YouTube videos on a channel in a specific niche. Say it's nutrition, fashion, celebrity, sports, top 10 videos, viral TikTok videos, really anything that you can think of, anything that you can really niche down, you can start a Faceless YouTube channel in. Let me hop on the computer and show you a couple examples of what I'm talking about. All right, so the first Faceless YouTube channel that I'm gonna show you is called Mind Boggler. And what they do is they'll just take facts that you've probably never heard of and compile them into a video. They don't show their face, but they just present facts that people are looking for or interested in seeing. They use a little bit of clickbait, but regardless, they are getting hundreds of thousands of views a day on these videos. 10 people that fell into volcanoes, 12 craziest ideas that worked out fine, 10 biggest animals that you won't believe exist. They've created so many videos, so we'll pull up the stats. They have 8 million views in the last 30 days, 50,000 subscribers in the last 30 days, and they are at 2.5 million subscribers. Top Warzone moments. What they do is they'll just take clips from around the internet. They'll take crazy gameplay clips and they'll compile them into videos that are anywhere from 10 to 20 to even this one's an hour almost long. Top 250 best plays in Warzone 2021. So let's check out some of these videos. They're posting about once a day. They're getting hundreds of thousands of views a day on this YouTube channel, just posting clips that are going viral around the internet. If we check the stats, you can see 10.8 million views in the last 30 days. They're at almost 500,000 subscribers. So you can do this in any video game niche. This is Betterment Boss. They create finance videos. So 7 ways your bank is ripping you off, 7 things you must know before getting a credit card, 5 reasons to avoid index funds, blah, blah, blah. They are creating, it looks like cartoon videos. So they're never showing their face and they're getting, let's pull up the stats. They're getting 500,000 views a month. They have 132,000 subscribers. So I know it's cool and all these channels got a ton of views and a ton of subscribers, but where's the money? That's a good question. The first way that these channels make money is through Adsense. In order to get money through Adsense, you have to be part of the YouTube partnership program. And the way that you do that is by getting 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Once you hit those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, YouTube actually pays you at a certain amount per 1,000 views. This is called your CPM. It's cost per milli. So let's take that Mind Boggler YouTube channel where they got 8 million views in the last 30 days. The lowest CPM that I've seen across my YouTube channels is $2 per 1,000 views. So let's just say that they're getting $2 per 1,000 views. 8 million views, that's $16,000 in the last 30 days. Let's look at that Betterment Boss YouTube channel where they were getting 500,000 views per 30 days. So $2 per 1,000 views, 500,000 views, that's $1,000 a month, which is completely doable. And also, AdSense is the least lucrative way to make money on YouTube. And I'm gonna dive deeper throughout this video in other ways that you can make money on YouTube. But before we get to that, we gotta go over how to create your YouTube channel. And I've created a video on that, so I'm gonna pop it up in the corner. Go ahead and check that out. If you have your YouTube channel started, then you're good to go. If not, check that out, pop back in. Hold up. Before we even get to the point where you're starting your YouTube channel, you have to pick your niche. There are some niches that get a lot of views, some niches that don't get a lot of views. There are some niches that it's easier to grow in. There are some that it's harder to grow in. So how are you gonna pick your niche? What you need to be thinking is what niche is gonna make you the most money, because the purpose of these types of channels are to make money. And I'm a firm believer in doing what you love and finding a way to make money from what you're passionate about and turning your passion to profit. I am, but for the sake of these channels that I've created over the last couple of years, I'm just focusing on what niches make me the most money. So what niches on YouTube make the most most money. The YouTube niches with the highest CPMs are right here. Check it. I'm just gonna let this sit here for a second. All right. So you've decided to niche. Now you gotta get started getting views and getting subscribers and get into the grind, baby. So in this video, I'm not gonna go into detail about how you can grow your YouTube channel and how you can get thousands of views, thousands of subscribers. I'm not gonna go into those details. There's a million resources on YouTube. Just search how to get views on YouTube, how to get subscribers on YouTube, how to grow fast in 2021 on YouTube. You got it. What I will talk about is where these videos come from. You might not be able to make videos or edit videos, so where are these videos coming from? There's a number of methods for getting these YouTube videos made to release onto these channels. The method that I've used for all of my channels, I've gone to the almighty Fiverr. There are a number of things that you'll need to get these videos made on YouTube. The first is a scriptwriter. So go ahead to Fiverr, search scriptwriter, and you will find a number of scriptwriters. I would suggest using the cheapest with the highest rating. You also need a video creator, so you can just search YouTube video creator. You'll also need a voiceover artist. So you can search voiceover artist. And last thing you're gonna need is a thumbnail artist. So the cost for my content creation team that I've put together over the last couple years is $22 per video. We release 2 videos per week on 5 different channels. This comes to $110 per week. That's $440 per month. But the channels that I have are consistently bringing in anywhere from $2,500 to $3,000 a month. That's not a flex. This is no flex. See, I just want to let you know what is possible. Let me show you a couple of my best performing videos from across my YouTube channels. I'm gonna just pop them up right here. I've been getting paid. I've been eating good. I've been putting on some weight. If I got a problem, I just call my brother babe. This is like a warning shot to get up on my face. Now you might be thinking, listen, I can't just be tossing dollar bills out there like I'm on the club on a Saturday night, right? Well, here's a couple ways to make videos for these faceless YouTube channels for free and start today. You can go to pexels.com and you can literally search for any type of video, like sports, change it to videos, and you can find free videos that are copyright free, and you can compile these videos into a longer video and do a little voiceover over top of those. Another method is if you go to YouTube, you can search sports highlights, for instance. You can do this with any niche, but I'm just gonna use sports because I don't know, I got sports on the mind. You go to filter, and then you're gonna wanna change the features to Creative Commons. These are all videos that are through Creative Commons license, free to use. So let me change this. Maybe top 10 football highlights. Let's make sure that we're on Creative Commons. We're not, so we can't use that, but let's go to Creative Commons and see what we can use. So NFL Brutal Hits, you click on that, what you can do is just go to Google, search YouTube downloader, use that first one, take that video, and what you'll do is go over to that YouTube downloader, download the video, get iMovie or some sort of free video editing software, and all you do is take the clips and rearrange them, and then you can upload them onto your own YouTube channel. It's really that simple. If people are just searching NFL highlights, you can just put out a ton of videos with those same clips in different orders, and one's gonna pop off. The last idea I have for you, I've actually had a lot of success with this. Going to TikTok, finding trending videos on TikTok, downloading them, and then compiling them into a huge compilation and putting a TikTok compilation video on YouTube. There's so many channels that are doing this right now. TikTok Victory, there's 177,000 subscribers, a ton of TikTok compilations. This channel is getting 4 million views per month from videos that they haven't even created. They're giving credit to the creators and they're using them for entertainment. So they're able to create these videos. It's really that simple. So if you stick to one niche, you niche down and you put these videos together, you can pay someone to do it or you can do it yourself. You will make over $1,000 a month as long as you stick to it and you're consistent with it. So many people get started and then they quit within the first couple weeks because they didn't come up on the bag yet, but that bag's coming, baby. You just gotta wait for it. So let's get back to the cash. Like I said, AdSense is the easiest way to get money on YouTube, but it's actually the least lucrative way to make money on YouTube. So what are these other ways to make that cheddar cheese and get that cash up on YouTube? When you get a large following on YouTube or you get a ton of views on YouTube, then companies will pay you to put their products into your YouTube videos and to shout them out. You'll be able to get sponsorships. So many YouTubers are making a ton of money from sponsorships. Affiliate marketing is also a huge way to start earning money on YouTube right now without even having a following at all. You can sign up for Amazon affiliates right now and put Amazon products in the descriptions of your videos. And if you get views and someone clicks on that and then they buy something from Amazon, you're gonna get a cut of that. So the strategy to really start ramping up revenue and start making money and get to that $1,000 per month is to put out 30 to 40 videos. Now, once you get 30 to 40 videos out there, one's gonna pop off. And if it hasn't, you're doing something wrong. If you really niche down and you create consistent content in that niche, I've never had a channel that has hit 30 to 40 videos and not popped off. When one video does pop off, pay attention to the analytics. What videos got you a lot of subscribers? What videos got you a lot of views? Double down on whatever it is that's working. You can just recycle that type of content. If you make compilation videos, you can literally put the same clips into videos with new clips, you know, in there as well. Once you have 30 to 40 videos, you double down on what's working, you will hit 10,000 subscribers. And once you hit 10,000 subscribers, what you're gonna wanna do is create another YouTube channel in the exact same niche. And you're gonna use your community tab on your YouTube channel to then shout out this new channel that you've created. I mentioned the community tab. So some of you might be familiar, some of you might not. You have to have 1,000 subscribers to have a community tab. It's just a way to engage with your audience on YouTube. Anyone who has the bell notification on for your channel, the one that has 10,000 subscribers, will then be notified anytime you post in the community tab. That'll be even more incentive for them to go watch those new videos that you posted on your new YouTube channel. And so once you have that second YouTube channel and you're growing on that, you can do the same formula. I currently have 5 YouTube channels within the exact same niche doing this, and it works. It really works. You just have to give it time. But you're gonna see exponential growth, and you're gonna see your revenue literally double, triple, quadruple, 10 times within a couple months. Now, I did say that I would not give you any tips or tricks on how to grow your YouTube channel, and I lied. I lied to you. I'm sorry. I'm gonna get into it. I'm gonna give you 3 tips on how to grow your YouTube channel right now. So my first tip is to create YouTube videos that answer a question that is being searched frequently. YouTube is a search engine. People come there to get answers. So why not answer their questions, and why not have your videos get viewed? Now, my second tip is to create evergreen content. And what evergreen is content that is relevant forever. So create content that will answer questions that are gonna be asked today and are gonna be asked tomorrow and 10 years from now. That's evergreen content. And if you create evergreen content, that is better, because that content's always gonna sit on YouTube and it's always gonna be there to answer the question that is being asked. So for tip number 3, this is one that I never hear people talk about, but it should be talked about all the time, is to use that community tab. And I don't mean your own community tab. I mean to find YouTube creators in your same niche. All right, so here's just a random channel that I found, but on most YouTube channels, if you go to the About page, there's gonna be a For Business Inquiries, and you have to hit View Email, and you're gonna have to go through the little captcha here. It's gonna show you their email. So you're gonna wanna go find creators in your niche with 10 to, I'd say, 100,000 subscribers, and you're gonna wanna find their email on their About page and reach out to them and just ask for a community post. I've had people who've come back and said, yeah, that's gonna be $10, it's gonna be $20, it's gonna be $30. I really wouldn't go much above $30. I'd try and get them down to that if you can, because it's not gonna get you crazy amounts of views, but it will get you more views. I've also had people who just said, yeah, your content's cool. I'll definitely shout it out. I've done it with every single one of my channels, and I've found great success with it. I don't know why people never talk about it. This is also a way that you can make money with your YouTube channel. I've had people reach out to me for community posts. So you can charge for community posts and shout out other people's videos. It is really a great opportunity both to get engagement and to get more views and more subscribers, and also to make money on YouTube if you have an audience already. So that's where I'm gonna end this video. I'm gonna have a lot more content on YouTube, specifically in how to make money on YouTube and how to grow these faceless channels, but that's it for now. If you follow these strategies, if you take what I taught you in this video, you will be able to make $1,000 per month on YouTube. This is a legitimate method that many people are using, and it's working. So go out there, start today, start right now, find your content creators or just make the content yourself. But regardless, get started, grow that bread, baby, grow that brand, baby, get that cash, baby. Have a great day.